Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Wagwan my people, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone are right. You see it? Yeah, manners and respect. Alright, so before I get started, I want to say this to each and everyone who have not yet clicked the subscribe button, to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Plus, it really and truly would be appreciated. I don't know Dancehall skilla there to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that shows a man who had been accused of stealing meat and other things from a business establishment. Now, based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, and in my point of view, I got the understanding that the man somewhat admitted that he stole certain things from the business establishment. See? It's really a sad situation. It's not even a laughing matter. I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think. Here's the video. Observe. Tell me what you think.
Nobody I work with you.
How can I meet the people, President? Listen, let me show you, you can remind and you will tell me what? Let me show you this, you can tell me what? You want to put my head back to see him and push it on the counter, what can I mean? Pushing on all of this. You want to see the video? You want to see the video? What can I mean?
You can't believe.
I can't come back to.
Chala, talk what I work with you. Somebody work with you? My card.
My card.
My card.
See everything. How much a pound for your steel, Chala?
And Chala, your skills of the thief oxtail. What work with you, Chala?
What is the thief? So the thief oxtail, the thief, the seasoning, and you want the thief? I am reminding.
Yeah.
Which one I see in the picture? The magnet? Yeah. How much oxtail you take yesterday? 2 pounds? 2 pound flat?
Basically admitted.
So, we can understand that. So, we don't understand. When do you know cash it?
Admitted.
Chala, I read and this, you know, Chala. Chala, is like saying, man, you set a chop for you and catch you, you know, Chala, you're in a trouble, you know. You know?
You know, if I said it, you start today. You know what I'm going to watch you?
Yo, let me ask you, don't get catch already. Yeah, my body in here today.
Nobody in here today, man. Listen, man. You're mad, man. You're mad, man.
Chala.
You're rough. So basically, him admitted that he had done certain things. You're rough. What an embarrassment, man. What an embarrassment. That's not even a joking situation, my people. You see? And even though I got some information about the situation on social media, I am only going by some things that I saw and heard in the video. And I heard when at least one person used a certain amount of words in that video that goes like this. Set a trap. See? Now, those words make me wonder if that person who had been accused of stealing from a business establishment worked at that business establishment. I wonder if that person worked at the business establishment. Yeah, my people, but on a real low, I tell you the truth, still, it's not a good thing that to do. You know, that's not a good thing. I always say it, you know, and I think I've said this before in more than one videos, that me rather beg than thief. Me not going like me perfect, but me rather beg than thief, because the only thing a person can look upon you and say, oh, move, you beg too much already, fine. Yeah man, me beg too much man. But if you go look at me and call me a thief and then police come prosecute all kind of things. No, sir, me not depend on that. I tell you the truth. You see me I say, cause that's an embarrassing situation. You see me I say? Now if you disagree with the things that I said, you can let me know. You know. If you agree with the things that I said, you can also let me know. But me I tell you what I think. You understand me people? But anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. You can let me know what I think about the things that you saw and heard in that video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a female, and in the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she talked about a female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson, and she responded to a comment that I made on social media. See? Now, Donna Donaldson is a female who had been reported missing to the police within the country of Jamaica on the 13th of July, the year 2022. And a lot of citizens within the country of Jamaica protested about the disappearance of the female. That's what I'm saying to you. Now, I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to listen to the things that the female said in this video and tell me what I think. I'm going to tell you what I think as well, viewers and subscribers, because I got the understanding that some comments have been made on social media about the things that the female said in this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Alright, let me reply to the message here. You see in a life, you see when you don't know, when you don't talk. You see me? I don't know Donnelly. When we did the on 876, we did not talk. We was not friends when we were on 876. Before 876, I did not know her. And after 876, I still never know her because she never talked to me and I never talked to her. You understand? So me can come upon me, they can tell like it's a very unfortunate situation, yes. But what you know what I can say? What you know what I can say? You know what I can tell life look like? No, master, I don't have anything to say. I'm sorry for the family and everything with them I go through and all of that, but we can't say nothing more. I don't know the girl. I can't talk when I don't know, so I'm not going to address nothing. And please, nobody don't come back to me about no argument. Because I really do not know nothing. I don't know them. If I never want to know, I would know such a name, Donaldson. So don't leave me alone, please. And
my people, I make sure I point out this first things first. The female in the video used the word unfortunate. You understand? Yeah, she used the word unfortunate. You know, so I want to point out that part there. Even though some people might want to take some of the things that you said negatively, but I want to point out that part. First things first. You understand? Yeah, now, I don't want to get me wrong, viewers and subscribers, because some things I'm not going to say, you know, so some people might agree and some people might disagree, but don't get me wrong. You understand? First of all, yes, it is unfortunate how this whole situation turned out and is being dealt with. You understand? Yeah, and I'm talking about how the police have probed the whole case and so forth, and people have protest forget certain attention and so forth. It's really unfortunate. You see me I say, and then for know so that the female went missing and a lot of things that are just unfortunate. You understand? So it's really unfortunate. So I understand that. See, but the thing is that what me I gonna say now, if the female speak truth, and if she really and truly was not friends with Donna Donaldson, then in my point of view, I don't think it would be fair for someone to bash her because she might have not said certain things on social media about Donna Donaldson. See me I say? Yeah. I mean, how do we know that the female have not sent any form of condolences? You see me? Because and everybody like to do and say certain things on social media. I mean, I defend no one. Don't get me wrong. See me I say? But sometimes you have a really and truly, you know, keep a open mind and think. See what I say? Yeah, you can ask questions. You can ask and say, how comes it? Fine. It's, you know, but don't be very disrespectful or say bad things because you feel like a person might feel certain ways and so forth. No, it's a man say, yeah, so each to them own opinion still, you know. Each to them own opinion, freedom of speech. I cannot control what a person say, but me always give little advice. You understand me? So if the female really and truly was not a friend or support with Donna Donaldson, and if she feel like she should not say anything or so forth, then it's up to her. You know, so some people might disagree, but I just so it goes. So I say my people, we can't tell a person how to think or how to do their life, for them life. So I say so. Let me know what to think about the things that the female said, viewers and subscribers. Maybe I'll give you my opinion and point of view. So I say again, it's really sad to understand how this whole situation really and truly is being handled and what's going on. Yes, I say I can only imagine what family members and friends of Donna Donaldson are going through, viewers and subscribers, and based on some information that I got, I fear that the situation, may I tell you, I don't even really want to say certain things, may I tell you, you know. I think at best I leave it here. So big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, and big up and respect. See? I'll leave it right there, so. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.